In this video, we take a long overdue beach walk. We meet some new subscribers and discover an historical artifact on the beach. So, don't go anywhere. Well, it's been a very busy couple of weeks here in Paradise. I didn't get many videos produced, except maybe for a couple of shorts, but we did manage to accomplish a lot. Most importantly, I got my annual blood work done along with an allergy test that came back negative. At least my allergy test ruled out any allergies that might be causing my post-nasal drip problem. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. So after a couple of go-rounds with the hospital ENT department and some new nasal spray to try out, I guess I'll be back to the status quo for a while longer. I guess it's all part of getting up in the years. I also completed the second half of my sleep study, and yes, it's official. I snore. This is a familiar place. This is where Terry learned to paddleboard. Right next to the Tropic shade. We also got the wife's car inspected and re-registered. That whole process has been totally screwed up with COVID until recently. People just hanging out early in the morning. At least the government of Guam gave vehicle owners a 1-year registration grace period with no late fees to help out with all of that. If there's one thing I'd like to say about where Guam excels, that is with the respect that they show and the care that they give their senior citizens. Just like the Philippines, this culture focuses on the well-being of their elderly. In the Philippines, the senior citizen designated age is 60, but in Guam it's 55. And the rules here are that seniors receive head-of-the-line privileges at most all government of Guam facilities. But then Guam takes it even a step further, with extending that privilege to its veterans. You will rarely hear anybody step up and say, "You gotta love getting old," but I'm sure most people here enjoy the trade-off, so to speak. I remember once while standing in the grocery checkout line in the Philippines, a young store clerk bought me a plastic chair to sit in while I waited in line. I must have looked really miserable to him, but by the time he actually showed up with the chair, we were already at the register ready to check out. How much you get? Tiao?
Yeah.
No more in Banaha, huh?
No more. Maybe next month.
How do you make that?
I can put salt, a lemon.
You dry it or just?
It's up to you. Either you can fry it or calaguin, like
Oh, calaguin.
Yeah, and you eat it with the cheeses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the manaha.
Yeah, but the manahag. You ever try frying it?
Yeah, that's the way I like it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Salty,
Crispy,
salted and fried.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now this is about as pristine as any beach gets. Crystal clear waters, perfect sand. So this walk on the beach was long overdue. One of the issues that we face most here in Guam is getting beach time. It's not that it's hard to get to the beach, it's just living in the tropics and being so close to the water can promote a very procrastinating lifestyle. It's really easy just to say, let's just do it tomorrow. During our walk today, we ran across a couple from California who just moved here and introduced themselves after recognizing us. They had just arrived early this same morning, and they just had to check the beach out first thing. It's what I would have done. After a short chat, we headed off in our different directions, hoping to run into each other again someday. See that red, where am I at here? That red structure right there, 1.8 miles. Almost 4 miles round trip. On another front, Terry has completed all her Social Security application requirements, and with her interview completed, she is now ready for her retirement, officially speaking. She has also completed all her immigration steps and is awaiting her interview, finally. On the home front, I've stayed busy assembling a new desk, hanging some shelves, and doing some honeydews around the house. I've even done some work on my truck and completed our tax filing for 2020. So our nearly 4-mile beach hike this morning was a very productive walk. Not only did we get a good workout in, we ran into some subscribers, we found a good shady beer drinking spot, and I even found a prehistoric artifact in the sand. Well, kind of. Now, if ever there was a place to just come and drink your beer, this would be it.
Nice.
But somebody's got a good beer drinking spot here, don't they?
Yeah? Like
You know what? Why not?
what?
Sit in a tree and drink beer.
Yeah.
Why not? All in all, it's been a busy couple of weeks, and with all that behind us, it's time to enjoy some more time in the tropic shade. Heck, I might even find the time to put the drone in the air between rain showers.